My name is Ryan Krause, and I'm a technician here at Translog Porsche. And today, we're going to be modifying this Fiat 850 master cylinder so that it'll work inside this Lombardi Grand Prix. Now, as you can see, the new master cylinder already comes with washer sheets ground into it. That's for the Fiat 850 and will not work with the setup. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Eastwood mini mill and we're going to machine that surface flat so we can get the correct seal that we need. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, there you have it. The Eastwood mini mill made this job quick and easy. And the best part is I didn't have to deal with any shipping problems or potential miscommunications with a machinist. So now, I'd say this Lombardi Grand Prix is ready for the streets.